Okay, was just popping into some new highlighter of mine and gonna tell you how it's working after using it for a while, of course. Hello my beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna we are going to chill, we are going to talk. So we are going to talk about a beautiful eyeshadow palette which is not yet launched in India. And this beautiful nail paint is from Zudio, as mentioned in my last video. It was a haul from Zudio and Market 99. Beautiful affordable things you can buy from Zudio and Market 99 and you're going to save a lot of money. So we are going to talk about a beautiful eyeshadow palette today, and that is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. The palette which I am going to show you today haven't launched in India yet, but I got it from Delhi Sephora. I just went for the normal shopping and I saw this palette. Otherwise, I'm a very mindful buyer who doesn't buy things just like that. But that palette caught my attention and that was so beautiful. It is a mini palette. It is a mini version. Just right now they have launched in other countries, maybe USA or somewhere else. But in India they have not launched yet. Not even at the Nykaa store, not even Nykaa online. But when I saw that palette, I was like, wow, it was just wow. I just tried their other palettes which were available and their quality was super amazing. And the color of this palette are most to the similar to the Huda Beauty Naughty palette, but I would say the pigment of ABH are top class. So just have a look at this palette. The palette name is Spice. Just unboxing it today and I have just landed today morning to my city. So excited for this palette that I thought that I would definitely show to my viewers this palette. And there are very few things which I love at first sight, but this palette is the one I loved at first sight.
In this crazy life we live, we all need someone to hold, a friend to light the way when the world starts to unfold. Through all the ups and downs, the highs and lows we share, we'll stick together, ride or die, let's show we really care. Through thick and thin, you've been there by my side, a shoulder to lean on when the tears couldn't hide. You're the one who lifts me up when I'm feeling down. With you, my friend, there's no need to wear a frown. Friendship.
So guys, this is how the color looks. And this is mostly the family of brown, pink, golden, which are so running shade among the brides right now, in the party makeup right now. And basically all this most of the shades are with shimmer, and there is a light shimmer with the matte color also, which I literally love. This is the hot selling, I mean. And it costed me for around 3800. This palette, mini palette, is 3800, but they have given me really good goodies with it. That goodies are lip gloss from Anastasia Beverly Hills and also one eyebrow pencil in dark brown shade from ABH. So both the goodies were amounting to 3000, so this was not a bad deal at all from their side. And I love the way that Sephora people welcomed me and they supported me in every product I was searching for. They supported me, they just guided me very well. I just love the visit to Delhi Sephora. It was amazing. I would also say, guys, if you are a makeup artist, do try to visit the store rather than to buy from Nykaa or online website. It's just a different feeling when you go to stores like that, because they just guide you so well, and there you can touch the product and see how it feels. One of the major concern online is that we can't feel the product, but when you go to the store, it's just a different thing in colors. You can sense the difference in colors, and that really matters. So soon I'm going to do a very good party makeover video with this as my eyeshadow palette. So I'm going to meet you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and do subscribe my channel if you haven't yet. Do like the video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.
In this crazy life we live, we all need someone to hold, a friend to light the way.